In this video, you'll learn how to pick a time slot on Wecasa. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully book your desired service with ease. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to log in. Enter your credentials in the provided fields and click on the login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard where you can start the booking process. Next, locate the service category that you are interested in. Wecasa offers several options, including massage, hair, beauty, and cleaning. Click on the category that aligns with your needs. This action will take you to a page displaying the specific services available within that category. After selecting your service category, click on the specific service you want to book. This will bring you to the booking page dedicated to that service. Here, you will need to enter your full address in the designated field. Ensure that the address is accurate, as this will determine the service provider's location. Once you have entered your address, proceed to choose the date for your appointment. A calendar interface will appear, allowing you to select your preferred date. Click on the desired date to confirm your choice. After this, available time slots will be displayed for you to choose from. Look for the time slots marked in green, as these indicate available options for your selected date. Click on your preferred time slot to select it. After making your selection, you may want to review the pricing details for the service. This information will typically be displayed on the same page. Next, select your payment method from the options provided. You may have choices such as credit card, debit card, or other payment methods. After choosing your payment methods, you can finalize your booking by clicking on the Book My Session button. This action will confirm your appointment. After booking, check your dashboard for confirmation of your appointment. You should see a notification or entry indicating your scheduled service. If you do not see this confirmation, it is advisable to review your booking steps for any missed actions.